I'm sure you've heard the news. Outdoor kitchens are not just for cooking, they're a style statement. Transform yours with these 5 simple decor ideas. First up, bring the indoors out. Adding cozy elements like outdoor rugs and throw pillows can really make the space feel inviting. Next, why not hang some string lights? They create a magical atmosphere that's perfect for evening gatherings. And let's talk greenery. Potted plants or a small herb garden not only add color, but also keep your favorite spices at arm's length while you cook. Then consider a statement piece like a colorful mural or a sculptural fire pit that doubles as art. And finally, don't forget about functionality. A rolling cart can serve as a mobile drink station or extra prep area. Blending utility with style. With these tips, your outdoor kitchen will not only look great, but also cater perfectly to your entertaining needs.